Hello class, good morning again. There's another topic I am going to introduce, which is the logarithmic formula. Logarithmic formula. The formula is integral du over u. So just agree the u with the du, and then we'll have ln u plus c. This is our formula. I will give you two examples, but first we'll have one integral dx. Then assuming I have here x plus 7. Okay? So you are going to determine the u. The u will be always at the denominator portion. So you'll have u is equivalent to x plus 7. Then differentiate the u, which is du is just equivalent to dx. 7 is still 0. So when you are going to look at it, your u agrees with the du. So therefore, apply directly the formula, and then your u is x plus 7 plus c. However, we have one of the properties of logarithm wherein we are going to the sum of logarithm. We can change this to ln c. So that if we can recall ln of x plus ln of y is equivalent to ln of x times y. Meaning, when you are going to have a sum of natural logarithm, or this property is equivalent to multiplication. So therefore, you'll have to rewrite this, your final answer, as ln of x plus 7 times c. And that is the final answer. I'll be giving you another example, example number 2. So, integral, we have here y dy, then we have here 2y squared minus 11. So at this point, we are going to just look at the denominator portion. Your u is equivalent to 2y dy minus 11. Then you just differentiate that. That is, by power formula, we have 2. So we have 4y minus 1, 2 minus 1, of course, then 4y dy. You will notice that the du portion you have there y dy. Do not be scared of that, because there is a purpose. You have here 4, so in other words, you have integral. You just insert 4, you have there 4y dy, then copy the denominator, 2y squared minus 11. Then, since you have placed here 4, you will write here 1 over 4. So that it will agree with the formula before. Then try to answer 1/4. Then ln u, your u is, will have 2y squared minus 11, then plus c. Supposedly, I will write the c, but since there is a 4 here, or 1/4, so you will just be placing here 1/4 ln of c. Why? So that you may able to provide or apply the properties of natural logarithm. So by fusing it, we'll have 1/4. So ln 2y squared minus 11, then times c. So you can, by property number 3, you'll have x ln y, then you can raise this there. So it will be equivalent to ln y raised to the x power. So that I will rewrite this ln, then since 1/4 is, you can rewrite or say that as 4th root. Therefore, the 4th root of 2y squared minus 11 times c. This is your final output.